Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into the world of fuel pumps and their potential demise. A failing fuel pump can cause a myriad of drivability issues, ranging from minor annoyances to complete breakdowns. Here's a comprehensive guide covering 10 common symptoms of a failing fuel pump, along with diagnostic tips, relevant obd-ii codes, and some code examples that might relate to fuel pressure or fuel trim issues. Understanding the fuel pump's role. The fuel pump's primary job is to deliver fuel from the fuel tank to the engine at the required pressure and volume. Modern fuel-injected engines need a consistent and adequate fuel supply to operate efficiently and reliably. The fuel pump is typically located inside the fuel tank and is an electric pump. Why fuel pumps fail? Several factors can lead to fuel pump failure. Age and wear. Like any mechanical device, fuel pumps have a lifespan. Over time, the internal components can wear out, leading to reduced performance or complete failure. Contaminated fuel. Debris, rust, and other contaminants in the fuel tank can clog the fuel pump's filter screen, sock, and damage the pump itself. Running on low fuel. Repeatedly running the fuel tank near empty can cause the fuel pump to overheat. The fuel acts as a coolant for the pump, and when levels are low, the pump works harder and generates more heat. Electrical issues. Problems with the fuel pump's wiring, relay, or control module can also lead to failure. Physical damage. Accidents or impacts to the fuel tank can sometimes damage the fuel pump. 10 symptoms of a failing fuel pump. Here's a breakdown of the most common symptoms, including possible causes and diagnostic steps. 1. Difficulty starting, especially when warm. Symptom. The engine cranks but struggles to start, particularly after it's been running and is warm. This can manifest as extended cranking times. Explanation. When the fuel pump is failing, it may not be able to maintain adequate fuel pressure, especially when hot. Heat can increase fuel volatility, making it harder for the pump to deliver enough fuel to the injectors quickly. Also, a leaking check valve within the pump can allow fuel to drain back into the tank when the car is off, so the system must be primed again before starting. Diagnostic steps. Fuel pressure test. Connect a fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail test port, if available, and check the fuel pressure when the ignition is turned on, without starting the engine. Compare the reading to the manufacturer's specifications. It should reach the specified pressure quickly and hold it for a period of time. Also check fuel pressure while cranking. Check for spark. Rule out ignition issues by confirming that the engine is receiving spark. Listen for the fuel pump. Turn the ignition key to the on position, without starting the engine. You should hear the fuel pump prime for a few seconds. If you don't hear it, it could indicate a problem with the pump, relay, or wiring. Possible codes. P0087, fuel rail/system pressure, too low. P0191, fuel rail pressure sensor range/performance. 2. Stalling. Symptom. The engine stalls unexpectedly, especially at low speeds or when idling. The stalling may be intermittent at first, becoming more frequent as the fuel pump deteriorates. Explanation. A failing fuel pump may not be able to maintain a steady fuel supply, causing the engine to starve for fuel and stall. Diagnostic steps. Fuel pressure monitoring. Monitor fuel pressure while the engine is running. If the pressure drops significantly before the stall, it indicates a fuel pump problem. Check for vacuum leaks. Rule out vacuum leaks, which can also cause stalling. Asterisk inspect fuel filter. Asterisk a clogged fuel filter can restrict fuel flow and cause stalling. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk P0087, P0171, System 2 lean, Bank 1, P0174, System 2 lean, Bank 2. 3. Loss of power / acceleration. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk the engine lacks power, especially when accelerating or climbing hills. You might notice hesitation or sluggish response when pressing the gas pedal. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk the fuel pump may not be able to deliver enough fuel under high demand conditions, resulting in a lean fuel mixture and reduced power. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk fuel pressure test under load. Asterisk test fuel pressure while driving, if possible and safe, or have someone rev the engine while you monitor the pressure gauge. The pressure should remain within the specified range. Asterisk check for restricted exhaust. Asterisk a clogged catalytic converter can also cause a loss of power. Asterisk check airflow sensor. Asterisk a malfunctioning mass airflow (MAF) sensor can cause lean or rich conditions, leading to power loss. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk P0087, P0171, P0174, P0101, mass airflow circuit range / performance. 4. Surging or hesitation. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk the engine surges, increases in RPM unexpectedly, or hesitates, lags when accelerating, during normal driving. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk an inconsistent fuel supply can cause these fluctuations in engine performance. The pump may be delivering fuel in spurts rather than a steady stream. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk fuel pressure monitoring. Asterisk monitor fuel pressure during these events. Asterisk check for bad fuel. Asterisk poor quality or contaminated fuel can cause surging and hesitation. Asterisk inspect spark plugs. Asterisk worn or fouled spark plugs can also contribute to these symptoms. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk P0300, random / multiple cylinder misfire detected, P0171, P0174. 5. Decreased fuel efficiency. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk a noticeable drop in miles per gallon, mpg, without any other apparent changes in driving habits. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk the engine control unit, ECU, may be trying to compensate for a weak fuel pump by increasing the fuel injector pulse width, resulting in a richer fuel mixture and reduced fuel economy. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk monitor fuel trims. Asterisk use a scan tool to monitor short-term and long-term fuel trims. High positive fuel trim values indicate the ECU is adding fuel to compensate for a lean condition, which could be caused by a weak fuel pump. Asterisk check for leaks. Asterisk inspect the fuel system for any leaks. Asterisk check oxygen sensors. Asterisk malfunctioning oxygen sensors can provide inaccurate readings to the ECU, leading to incorrect fuel mixtures. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk P0171, P0174, P0131, O2 sensor circuit low voltage, Bank 1, Sensor 1, P0151, O2 sensor circuit low voltage, Bank 2, Sensor 1. 6. Rough idling. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk the engine idles roughly, with noticeable vibrations or fluctuations in RPM. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk an inconsistent fuel supply can cause uneven combustion, leading to a rough idle. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk check for vacuum leaks. Asterisk vacuum leaks are a common cause of rough idling. Asterisk clean throttle body. Asterisk a dirty throttle body can restrict airflow and cause a rough idle. Asterisk inspect ignition system. Asterisk problems with the spark plugs, ignition coils, or wires can also cause a rough idle. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk P0300, P0505, idle control system malfunction. 7. Loud whining noise from the fuel tank. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk a noticeable whining or humming noise coming from the fuel tank area, especially when the ignition is turned on or the engine is running. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk this is a classic sign of a failing fuel pump. The pump is working harder to maintain fuel pressure and is making noise due to wear or internal damage. The noise is often more pronounced when the fuel level is low. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk listen to the fuel tank. Asterisk have someone turn the ignition on, without starting the engine, while you listen near the fuel tank. Asterisk check for fuel leaks. Asterisk look for any signs of fuel leaks around the fuel tank or fuel lines. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk no specific code, but other fuel-related codes may be present. 8. Engine won't start at all. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk the engine cranks but doesn't start, and you don't hear the fuel pump priming when you turn the key to the on position. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk the fuel pump has completely failed and is not delivering any fuel to the engine. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk check fuel pump relay and fuse. Asterisk the first step is to check the fuel pump relay and fuse in the fuse box. Replace them if they are blown or faulty. Asterisk check fuel pump wiring. Asterisk inspect the wiring to the fuel pump for any damage or loose connections. Asterisk directly power the fuel pump, caution as a diagnostic step, and with extreme caution, you can try applying 12V directly to the fuel pump terminals. If the pump runs, it indicates a problem with the wiring, relay, or fuel pump control module. This should only be done by someone with experience and a thorough understanding of automotive electrical systems. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk no specific code, but you may have other codes related to engine starting issues. 9. Fuel pump relay issues. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk intermittent starting problems, stalling, or a complete no-start condition. You may also notice the fuel pump relay clicking repeatedly. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk a faulty fuel pump relay can interrupt the power supply to the fuel pump, causing these issues. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk swap relays. Asterisk try swapping the fuel pump relay with a known good relay of the same type. If the problem goes away, the relay is faulty. Asterisk check relay wiring. Asterisk inspect the wiring to the relay for any damage or corrosion. Asterisk test relay function. Asterisk use a multimeter to test the relay's continuity and operation. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk no specific code, but you may have codes related to fuel pump circuit issues. 10. Fuel trim problems, lean or rich. Asterisk symptom. Asterisk the engine runs either too lean, not enough fuel, or too rich, too much fuel, which can be detected by monitoring fuel trims. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk while not a direct symptom of fuel pump failure, a weak fuel pump can cause lean fuel trims, as the ECU tries to compensate for the low fuel pressure. Conversely, a leaking fuel pressure regulator, which is often integrated with the fuel pump assembly, can cause rich fuel trims. Asterisk diagnostic steps. Asterisk monitor fuel trims. Asterisk use a scan tool to monitor short-term and long-term fuel trims at idle and under load. Asterisk check fuel pressure. Asterisk as mentioned earlier, verify fuel pressure. Asterisk check for vacuum leaks. Asterisk vacuum leaks can cause lean fuel trims. Asterisk inspect fuel injectors. Asterisk leaking fuel injectors can cause rich fuel trims. Asterisk possible codes. Asterisk P0171, P0174, P0172, system too rich, Bank 1, P0175, System 2 rich, Bank 2. OBD2 codes and fuel pump issues. Here's a summary of some common OBD2 codes that may be associated with a failing fuel pump. P0087 fuel rail / system pressure, too low. P0088 fuel rail / system pressure, too high. P0089 fuel pressure regulator 1 performance. P0090 fuel pressure regulator 1 control circuit. P0091 fuel pressure regulator 1 control circuit low. P0092 fuel pressure regulator 1 control circuit high. P0171 system 2 lean, bank 1. P0172 system 2 rich, bank 1. P0174 system 2 lean, bank 2. P0175 system 2 rich, bank 2. P0190 fuel rail pressure sensor circuit. P0191 fuel rail pressure sensor range / performance. P0192 fuel rail pressure sensor circuit low. P0193 fuel rail pressure sensor circuit high. P0230 fuel pump primary circuit. P0231 fuel pump secondary circuit low. P0232 fuel pump secondary circuit high. Code examples, simulated. Keep in mind that you typically read these codes using a scan tool connected to the OBD2 port of the vehicle. These are simplified examples to illustrate how data related to fuel pressure or fuel trim might be accessed via a vehicle's diagnostic system. The actual implementation will vary depending on the vehicle manufacturer and the scan tool being used. Explanation of the code example *. 1 obd-ii class *. This is a simplified class that simulates an OBD2 data connection. In a real-world application, you would use a library, like obd, to interface with the vehicle's diagnostic system. 2 Fuel pressure and fuel trims *. The obd-ii class has attributes for fuel_pressure, short_term_fuel_trim_bank 1, and long_term_fuel_trim_bank 1. These are the key parameters we're monitoring. 3 Diagnose_fuel_pump function *. This function takes an obd-ii object as input, reads the fuel pressure and fuel trim values, and prints them to the console. It then checks the fuel pressure and long-term fuel trim against arbitrary, and vehicle-specific, thresholds. If the values are outside the acceptable ranges, it prints a warning message indicating a possible fuel pump issue. Important considerations *. Safety first. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before working on the fuel system. Fuel is flammable and can be dangerous. Work in a well-ventilated area. Proper tools. Use the correct tools for the job. A fuel pressure gauge, multimeter, scan tool, and socket set are essential. Consult a professional. If you are not comfortable working on the fuel system, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. Fuel filter replacement. When replacing the fuel pump, it's highly recommended to also replace the fuel filter. A clogged filter can put extra strain on the new pump. Fuel pump location. The fuel pump is typically located inside the fuel tank, but in some vehicles, it may be accessible from under the rear seat. Diagnose correctly. It's crucial to properly diagnose the problem before replacing the fuel pump. Other issues, such as a clogged fuel filter, vacuum leaks, or ignition problems, can cause similar symptoms. In summary, a failing fuel pump can manifest in a variety of ways. By carefully observing the symptoms, performing the appropriate diagnostic tests, and using a scan tool to monitor fuel pressure and fuel trims, you can accurately diagnose the problem and take the necessary steps to repair it. Remember to prioritize safety and consult a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the repair process. Good luck.